Hello, I am Neev Darania. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in Marwadi University in Information and Communication Technology. Friends, today I am going to present you one video on the basis of the project of the object-oriented programming, which is a subject of Java. And this project is guided by Mr. Chandra C. Parmar, who is the HOD of our ICT department at Marwadi University, and Mr. Kumaranand Singh, Assistant Professor of the subject Object-Oriented Programming. So today this video is based on the project of the two variable and three variable KML. So for this, first we need to understand what is the two variable and three variable KMap. So I will show you that what is two variable KMap and three variable. Two variable KMaps is the KMap for a function is specified by putting 1 in the square corresponding to a min term and 0 otherwise. For example, carry on sum of half adder. Friends, this is an example of the two variable KMap in which 0, 1 and 0, 1. There are four boxes, means for two variable there are four boxes, and corresponding KMaps, variable KMaps are according to their size. Suppose if there is two variable KMap, then there is a 2 raised to 2, means four boxes are there. In a three variable KMaps, 2 raised to 3 means 8 KMap, 8 boxes are there. In 2 raised to 4 means 16 boxes are there. Similarly, other KMaps. And we will see another example. We will see another example for the two variable KMaps. So let's see. This is the example of the two variable KMap. Here we have written 1 1, and accordingly the pair is done and its truth table, and according to its boolean equation is easily obtained. And in the conventional method we use the boolean equation by solving it algebraically, but here with the help of the KMap we can solve it easily, and we can get the corresponding equation. uh, Similarly, you can see here the three variable KMaps, means they are 8 minterms. Minterms means in the KMap for minterms we have to write 1 in place of the variables. Therefore there are 8 cell in the three variable KMap. And max term, there is also one other term, that is max term. In max terms, in the box KMap we have to write 0 in the place of the given variables. So now this project, I have designed one one type of application type in which we can solve three variable and two variable KMap by entering the data, and we can get equation easily. So which is one of the easiest way to find any two variable and three variable KMap equation and minimization. So let's go towards the project. uh, this is my code which I have done on the IntelliJ software, which is which is more easier to do the Java projects, means object oriented projects. Here I have done my whole project with the help of the JFrame, and it is very means it is very attractive and easier to do one of the Java, any Java and OOP projects. Here I have used J button, frame, labels for various operations. For like after entering the data, we press enter button so that it gives us the output and the equation. Frame means I have prepared a different frames for entering into one frame to another frame. I have prepared buttons and other all things. This is frame size and all other. This is variable too, means I have prepared this class for entering into, means it will give option that if you want to enter in the two variable or three variable, means which type of KMap you want to solve with, and you get equation. This is the class which I have made for the which I have made a coding for the two variable KMap, and this is the class for the three variable KMap. Means you can see this one is a bigger one. because as it is three variable kmap, and it's we have to put conditions, and according to the conditions we get the output and the equations. In two variable it is little bit more, because it is only for four types, and the conditions are very less, so it is easier, but it is small or hard. And I have done one creativity, means as it is a three variable map, we can write the terms only up to 7, and I have put some functions which can uh, not allow more than the 7 numbers. Means if you add 8, then it will not display, because I have used such type of the numbers. And this is the last page class, in which we can end my project. So now let's run our project, and here we will, from here we will compile. We can also run any Java frame project on the by the shortcut key shift plus control plus F10. There is some issue. So here is my project, two variable and three variable min term minimization using kmap, and I'm in second semester, so we will enter in our project. Here I have put two buttons for enter and exit. So as we click the enter button, we will see one side, select any one type of kmap. Means as I have told you that this frame will show you that if you want to solve get your equation by two variable kmap or three variable kmap. So as you want, as per your choice, you can select. So first of all we will see enter into the two variable kmap. So in two variable, here this is a frame, and here sigma f of ab means two variable. If there is a three variable, then f of a b c. Similarly for other kmaps. And here sigma m means min term. For min term it is small m. For max term it is capital M. Here as it is two variable kmap, we can enter only four data: 0 1 2 and 3. So and this is the kmap in which I have put the text field. Means here I have for output and input I have used the text field. Means in the text field, as you will enter the data, it will give the data in the means I have set text and get text in my coding, and we will automatically get the equation in this f equal to text field. So now let's see one example. Here first of all we will write 1, here 2, and here we will not write anything, we will keep it empty. And so we will press enter. So here you can see in the position in the kmap at the first means one position it is 1, and and at the two position it is 1. As I have told you that whatever the position we have written here, at that place in the kmap 1 is written for the min terms, but for the max terms alternatively means 0 is written here. And for and by solving it we can get the this equation a bar b plus ab bar. Similarly for other one also we can write. So here we will not here we will do some changes, and we will see another example. So here we will write 3 and enter. So here for at the 3 position also we have written 1, and a corresponding equation is here a plus b. Now we can also make changes 0. So here now you can see that corresponding equation. And so this was the example. You can I have put the reset button so that we can reset it and again check it. So this was the example of two variable kmap by which you can get the equations. And we will go to the back, and now we will see the three variable kmap example. So similarly, as I have told you in two variable kmap, this is three variable, and here we can write enter the 8 data, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. If you will write another than the 7, then it will not take the data, as I have put the some of the attractive functions. and here there are 8 boxes in which also I have put text field similar to the two variable keymap. So now we will also see one of the examples. So first of all, I show you that if I enter any data more than the 7, then it will not take. So let's see. See here I am writing 8, 9, 10. Then it is not taking because of the function I have used. It is more preferable. And here means as it is a one bit data, so if I enter the 2-bit data, it will also not take. So these are the some of the specification and the attractions which we can use in our code to make it more easier and attractive. So now here I will enter the data, means I will take any one example. Suppose we write here 2, 3, 6, 7. See here I am writing 8, but it is not writing. So I will write 3 and I will press enter. So as I have pressed enter, at the respective corresponding position, here it is showing its data, and here the equation is as below. And if we write here a repeat number, then also it will consider one data only. So now I can make changes also, and the equation will come accordingly. So here it is the equation of the this corresponding data, and you can also verify by solving it. And this is my data. See here we will reset, and now we will again see that what happens. 0, 1, 3. So this is the data entered. We get the corresponding equation. So this was the example of the three variable keymap, and we will reset here. And so this was my project. Thank you for listening me and watching my video. So as I exit here, my project ends. And thank you for listening me. And I have made this one type of the application for solving two variable and three variable keymap, through which we can easily enter any data and get the output easier. Means now we can use for teaching any if you want to teach any students and solve instead of online, we can use it for the school purpose, and any other anyone we want. If we want uh, three variable keymap and two variable keymap. And thank you. And please my email address is new.10 104832@marwaduniversity.ac.in, and you can contact me in 910622021 for any query. And I am giving the special thanks to my HOD sir and my professor Mr. Kumar Anand Singh, who have helped me a lot out of this project. And uh, they have given me the guidance that how to do this project, and how to make it beautiful by using the various functions. So special thanks to Mr. Kumar Anand Singh. And for anyone for any queries, or and if you want to design such type of project, please contact me. We will surely help you out through. So thank you.